Hey guys, what are you guys doing this summer?
I'm working part-time this summer.
I don't have a job, so I'll just be hanging out.
Nothing much. Just hang out with some friends, maybe get out of the house.
Well, they got a great summer program going on right now.
Yeah, right.
It's a program where you can learn a lot about finding another job.
No kidding?
That's right.
Tell us more about this program.
Well, it's a new program at the Shawnee Public Library, and business owners have joined together for the first time to offer teens a new workshop series. This isn't for little kids. It's designed specifically for older teens who are ready to find a job. And co-ed staffs are the people that are going to be instructing.
Co-ed? What's that and what are they going to be teaching us?
Central Oklahoma Workforce Investment Board. They're going to teach us more skills for a good interview.
Will they teach us how to dress for an interview? And will I need a resume? The last job I applied for said I'd need one.
Yes, during the series they'll help us write one and they'll have it ready for us. And we will hear from local business leaders about what they think is more important for us as we are looking for other jobs.
And it's at our library.
Yes.
That's close to me.
I don't have a car, but I can walk there.
The classes don't start until 10:30, so you won't even have to wake up early.
Well, I live pretty far away. Bummer.
There's transportation if you need it.
I can't afford that.
It's free.
How long do each section last?
It's about half an hour and a half.
So you mean to tell me it's over by lunchtime?
Yes, and there'll be lunch afterwards as well.
So there'll be free food. I'm in.
And there's also prize drawings too.
Seriously. Sign me up.
Yeah, me too.
You register by calling the library, ask to speak for the information desk. The class sizes are limited, so you need to register ASAP. Do you guys ever go to the library? It's pretty fun.
I haven't been since story time.
I don't even know where it is.
You seriously?
Well, you're missing out. Besides great books, graphic novels, and comic books, they even have DVDs.
Really, like in a red box?
Yeah,
So free.
you just need a library card.
Cool.
There's also public computers and free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi? I'm in.
And summer programs for teens begin on June 6th in the afternoons following the workshop. They're all free. This summer's program includes screen printing t-shirts, paintings, and the Science Museum of Oklahoma will have fun projects and more. So who's in for the Work Skills Workshop?
I am.
Tell me again when all this is.
Wednesday mornings in June,
What time?
10:30 to 12. I also forgot the most important thing. When you complete the course, you'll receive a certificate of achievement at a big celebration.
So free food.
Party food for the celebration.
Oh, I'm definitely in.
And there will be employers there for all of us to meet too.
Seriously?
I'm calling the library to register.
So there'll be free food. I'm in.
And there's also prize drawings too.
Seriously. Sign me up.
Yeah, me too.